Hello everyone, this is our how-to video on creating an announcement in MyMCPS Classroom. So when you first log into MyMCPS Classroom, you will be taken to your dashboard. If you remember from our first course, the dashboard is where you will see all of your current courses. If you do not see your current course, remember you can always select the courses menu on the left-hand side, go to all courses, and you can star the ones that you are currently teaching. So today I'm actually going to use an archived class to practice with. Okay, I'm going to select my quarter one course. So to create an announcement on the left-hand menu side, okay, near the top, you'll see the announcement tab. Go ahead and click this. And then on the right side of the page, you'll see a button that says announcement with a plus sign symbol. Go ahead and click this button, and it'll take you to the announcements creation page. You can title your announcement whatever you want. So today I'm going to title mine practice announcement. And in the text box, you can put whatever you want. So you can use this to announce an upcoming quiz, assessment, project, or just anything you're doing in your classroom that week. So for me, I will type in this week we will have a quiz on Friday. Okay, at the top of the content box, you'll see a toolbar, much like Word document or Office, where you can format your text, bold, italicize, underline. You can even change the color of the font and so on. Now, if I wanted this text to take me to an external website or link it, you can go ahead and click the link button and paste in the URL that you want to become active. You could always just paste in an external link as well into the page, and it will still work. If you wanted to insert a YouTube video, you can click on the YouTube video button right here. Okay, and then you can search for the YouTube video you want to insert, or you can, again, just paste in the link into the content box, and either way will work. If you wanted to upload a file or image into your announcement, so for example, maybe you are announcing an upcoming quiz and you want to embed a study guide, on the right-hand side of the page, you'll see this menu where it says links, files, images. In the files option, you can either upload a new file or select from an existing file. So let's say in the same announcement, I could say study guide. Okay, I can select this text. And from here, if I had already uploaded the study guide and saved it into my files, I could go ahead and click it. And so when they select study guide, it'll take them to the study guide. Or of course, we could always select upload new file, and then you could choose the file you want to select and upload into there. You can do the same thing with an image by switching the option up here to images. Okay, so again, you can upload an existing image that you've already used before, or upload a new one. Once you are done with your announcement, if you scroll down, you can control the section of the course you post it to, or you can leave it as all sections. You can attach any other thing you want to your announcement. And then you have the option of delaying the posting. Okay, you can select it to go active maybe on a Sunday night. Okay, you can also allow your students to comment on the announcement. Many of our parents at MCPS use podcast feeds already, so this is an easy way for them to get all of your announcement to their phones. So you can go ahead and just enable the podcast feed. And of course, you can allow liking, a feature which many of our students like. They like to like your announcements. Once you are done with all of these options, you can just review your announcement and then go ahead and post your announcement. Now, one suggestion I do have is to label your announcement in a similar fashion every way so that it's easy for students to find. So here's some of the announcement I've used in my classroom, and if you see, I always start with the week of the announcement and the dates for which the announcement applies. Well, everyone, I really hope this video has helped you. Please make sure to check out the support site for other resources.